Hello everyone, this is Dimak Khan from EKSofts. So are you trying to add a video conferencing system or a webinar system or a group chat or a video conferencing system into your website, and you choose to Dai.io as an option to add into your website? So I'll show you in this entire video, how to add or how to integrate Dai.io in your website. It's very simple. You can use in your next.js website, in your React.js website, in your Manstack project, in your Livewire project, in your Laravel project, in your LAMP stack, in your Min stack, or in simple HTML. So it's very easy. I'll show you in the whole video in a very simple way. So let's just jump into it. So for this, very much all you have to do, you just have to come to Dai.io website, or simply you search as Dai.io. Then after coming up here, you will see this and you will go there. Okay, so let me just okay, reduce my screen size. Okay, so after doing so, what I have to do, you just come to the main dashboard, and after coming to the dashboard, you can scroll over, or you just simply click to start building. And after clicking to start building, you have to log in with your email, or within Gmail, or with your GitHub. Like if I do this from my incognito window, and if I go there, you can see in here. If you go there, we have to log in. We have to log in from GitHub or email or Gmail actually. So what I have to do, let it just load. Okay, so after it loads, you can go with your GitHub or you can go with email, and also you can go with Gmail. Gmail option will come up here, and yeah, so this is the Gmail option. So you can go with Gmail or you can go with GitHub or go with email. Just simply a simple login system. You just log in or you just sign up with your GitHub or Gmail, and after doing so, you will come up and you can see a dashboard. So we have some sessions. You will see the details in here actually. So we have a quick start option also. In this, we have a dashboard option. Then after doing so, we have a meeting option. So in the meeting option, we have to come up here and we have to click a meeting. So we let's just name it as diet meeting. Diet meet. We'll name it as diet meet. Then we'll create the meeting. So you can see a meeting is created in here. Okay. So we have to go to the presets option then. So let's go to the presets option. So after coming to the presets option, okay, in the presets option you have to create another preset. So we'll name it as diet preset. Let's say it's diet preset, and we have audio mute, and video mute, and trigger recording record, update participant preset, and pin participant. This thing, and then we'll name it as diet preset. Okay, we'll name it as a simple name as diet preset. Okay, so we'll save it. So after doing so, we just have to go back, or we have just to come to the REST API section. And after coming to the REST API section, click on meetings, then go to add a participant option. Then after doing so, you can come to another tab actually. So in here you can see you have some API keys. So from the dashboard you will get the API key tab actually. So in the API key tab you will have some APIs, and yes, you have API in here, organization ID, API key. So what we have to do in your case, this will be blank. So you just have to paste your organization ID as username and your API key as password in here. So you will see these things blank. So you will have to add these things. Then we will add a name. So we'll name it as John. Let's just John do it. And we need a image, and we have to add a preset name, and we have to add a custom participant name ID. So let it be like 58675 AG9 AGT 935. Anything you can replace anything. Add a custom unique ID. That's what you have to do. And preset name. So what is preset name? This is the preset name we just added in here. So if you come here, I have some preset in here. So we added dummy preset. So just you have to copy the preset name from here and have to come up here and have to replace the preset name in here. And after doing so, you will see in here, you will, whenever you do this step completed, you will see a token value in here. So what we have to do, we need another picture. So let's go to as dummy logo. So we'll go there and we'll search for a dummy logo. So let's go. Let's select a nice logo. Okay, let's see. Let's just open the image in new tab, and then we will just copy the image, and in here we will replace the image actually. So this is what we have to do. Then we have to send API request. Okay, so in here our meeting ID is empty, so we have to add a meeting ID. What is the meeting ID? In here you can see we had a meeting. We just added a meeting, and that was dummy meeting. So this dummy meet, we have to just copy this meeting ID, and after meeting ID we have to assign in here. So we will assign the meeting ID in here, and after doing so, we will send API request, and we will get a token in here. So you can see we have a token. So what we have to do, we have to just copy this token, and we have to use this token in later times actually. Okay, so now we have to do what? I just will come up here and we'll add a project that is named as diet. So let's just name it as diet, or a fresh project. We'll name it as YouTube. We'll just name it as YouTube Diet Meeting, and we'll go there and we will open it. Okay, so we'll open it in your VS Code editor. Just we have to go here and we have to come here and we have to add an index.html file, and in the index.html file we have to do what? I will show you. In here I have some code base, so I'll just copy the code and explain the code in here. So we have to paste in here. So what we have to do, we have the CDN of the main. We have the CDN of the direct website. This, and we have another section. We have a script section. The script section is it has to be type of module, and we have define custom elements, a function name, and we have to call the function name, and it's coming from this URL. So we have to add the URL also. Then we have to add diet meeting ID. This is our meeting ID. I'll add the code base in the description as well. Then we have to go to a script section, and in it we have to init we just have to name a async function, and as we are using async, we have to also use await, and in await we need diet client. Then we will initialize it, and we will have to add a token. So what is the token? Actually, this is the token we are getting from here. So this token we have to copy, and after copying this token, let me just close this browser. Okay. So after copying this token, we have to just replace in here. We have to replace the token as auth token. Then defaults. In defaults, we will let the audio false and let the video false. Then document the gentleman by adding my meeting and close the screen. This will be false, and meeting will be meeting. So, and then after doing so, we will just call the function, initialize the function. So it's very simple. It's that simple. So what we have to do, we just have to just replace our token in here. So let me copy the token. Okay, so you can see I have the token. I just copied the token by Control C. Then I will, and after doing so, we'll just have to replace the token in here. Okay, so I replace the token. Now we have to do nothing. We will just open it from our live server, and whenever we click to live server, we can see this one is coming up, and in console we don't have any error, and you can see, boom, our video calling option has just appeared. Our diet.io is integrated successfully, and in here we can see if we come with another browser or another tab, you can listen to sound, and in here two users are added with one another, and you can see yes, microphone is working, as you can hear some echo. So yeah, we can hear some more echo now. So this is how it's working, and we can also cross check with the video option. But now as I'm recording, my camera won't work in here, so we can see the camera in here. because I'm recording it. So in here you can see, yes, I have a option, pop-up option, as I'm recording in it. So you can simply just integrate diet.io in this very simple step, which is what we have to just come up here. You just have to log in, and after logging in here, you have to come there. You have to add a preset, you have to add a meeting ID. You just have to add a meeting ID. You just copy the meeting ID, and then you just add preset, then copy the preset name. Then you come up here in the REST API section, in the just click in REST API part, and then after clicking here, you come up here and add participant option. Then you put your username as the organization ID. Then you put your password as the API key. Then you replace the meeting ID. After doing so, you replace the username, and then you replace the image of user or your organization image. Then you add the preset name, like from here we are adding the preset. So add the preset name and add a custom participant ID. Then just click send API request. You will get a token. Copy the token, and after doing so, just come up here and follow this code. In here, you have to write these codes. I will share in description as well, and you have to add the authentication just in here. And after doing so, you just click it from open it from your live server. And after opening it from your live server, you can see these things. So if you leave from one side, you leave the meeting, and you can see here it's only one user. So this is how it's working. So yeah, so this is how we have to integrate the diet.io for live conferencing, for live chatting or group chatting, or we can say for webinar and a lot of things. And we have also group chatting option. You can see in here. If I come up and if I just open from here, you can see you have one user, you have two users, you have three users, and we can add authentication from next.js or from react.js or from simple HTML. But you know the simple things, but I have to just show you how this is working, how Drupal is working, how everything is working. So this is how it's working. So you can use the codes as well. I will share the code, and after doing so, let me just make the code base ready for you guys. Okay, so the code base is ready for you. I will share in the description as well. So this is how you have to do, and nothing more. So just follow me. If you like the video, just hit the like button. If you dislike the video, also hit the dislike button. And if you didn't like the video, please mention why you didn't like the video. And if you like the video, please also mention this, and don't forget to subscribe to me. So that's EKSofts. That's my plan from EKSofts. Thank you very much.